Hey coaches, Bobby Hood here. So tonight I wanted to talk a little bit about posting video to the My Challenge Tracker app. Now a little caveat, this is actually the second time that I have filmed this video because I left out a pretty important piece of information and it's short enough that I could just go through and reshoot this video again. So the thing about the My Challenge Tracker app is that you can't post video directly to the app. You actually have to post your videos to YouTube and then reference those videos in your posts inside the Challenge Tracker app. And I can only presume that they did that because if you think about it, if 400,000 coaches ran challenge groups and each of those challenge groups had 3 people in them and they had a video every day, they're looking at over 1 million video views every single day. And while YouTube blows that away, Beachbody isn't YouTube. So there's a lot of infrastructure that they have to build up. Okay, so anyway, long story short, let's get to work and I'll show you what you have to do. So very first thing is you got to upload your video to YouTube. I'm not going to cover that here. I could do that in another video if you want me to. So after your video is in YouTube, what you want to do is come over to my channel, and what I do is I go to the video manager. Okay. Now from here I click on edit, and that's going to take me to the video manager editor screen, and the piece of information that I left out last time that I'm going to highlight here is each video has 3 levels or layers, well, levels of security. You have private, you have unlisted, and you have public. Okay? Your video must either be unlisted or public. The difference between unlisted and public is unlisted means nobody can search for your video, and what's the other thing? And nobody can browse to your video if they're browsing through your channel. Okay? But if they have the URL, which we're going to grab, they can go directly and see your video. So unlisted is great for challenge groups, right? Because I'd rather not post my videos for my challenge groups out to be public. I want them to be reserved for my challengers. So anyway, right here is this setting, and like I said, public, unlisted, and private. I have all my challenge group videos set to unlisted. Okay? And then from here, I'm just going to grab this video, and I'm going to do like a Control-C for a copy, or I could right-click on it and do a copy from there. Okay, so that copies the URL to the clipboard, and pretty much from here, I'm done inside of YouTube. Okay? So now I'm going to switch over to the My Challenge Tracker portal. Now, I'm also going to show you how to do this using the mobile app. The difference between the mobile app and the My Challenge Tracker portal, well, there's more features in the portal, specifically scheduling. I don't think you can schedule, at least I haven't figured it out yet, how to schedule using the app. I have to use the web portal in order to schedule the posts. In this case, we're going to go ahead and schedule tomorrow's posts for the group. So when you log into the My Challenge Tracker portal, you'll see this view with your current challenge group up front. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. So from here, I can choose to post to the group. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and we're going to get this pop-up here about the post. From here, we want to do a video, so we're going to click on the Add Video button. Now, if we wanted to click in or add an image, we could do that from here as well. But we're going to go ahead and click Add Video. So I'm going to put my focus now inside this little text box for the video URL. And I'm just going to right-click and Control-V, well, Control-V to paste, or I could have right-clicked and done paste. And then I'm going to go ahead and add some text in here. And one thing that's cool is you can actually tag your challengers so that they get a notification about the post. Okay, And then the last thing is pin this post. I recommend that you always pin your post as the leader of the group. That makes sure that your post is always at the top when people log into their app. If not, what's going to happen is as people are logging their workouts and their Shakeology and making other posts, your post is just going to get pushed down the feed. So I recommend that you always pin that post. Now from here, I'm going to hit this little arrow down, and I'm going to choose schedule. If I wanted to, I could post it now, or I could save it as a draft, but I'm good with this for now. So let's go ahead and schedule out this post. Now, when you schedule a post, it's going to, by default, go to the next day at 9 a.m. So right now it's the 29th of August. It's going to try to schedule it for the 30th of August at 9 a.m. Because my people, 2 of them are in the East Coast, I actually set this to go at 4:30 a.m. So that'll catch those people at 5:30, hopefully right when they're getting ready to do their, get out of bed, do their workout, so it's ready to go for them, just in case they want to view it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click schedule, and that's that. So it's ready to go, it's scheduled. And so from here, we can do the same thing using that phone mobile app, and I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate how to do that for you. So I'm going to go ahead and click stop share, and I'm going to share my phone. Okay, so from here we want to, of course, we need to grab that URL from YouTube. I'm assuming you've already uploaded the video, so we're just going to go ahead and open up the YouTube app. And I was just checking out Coach Jimmy earlier today. So from here I want to go to My Videos. And we can see that my video here is this top one. And instead of doing edit like we did on the desktop, we're actually just going to go to share. Now this is an Android device. The iPhone app, the whole process works almost identical to this. So we're just going to go ahead and copy that link. So it copies it to the clipboard of the phone. Now again, we're done here at this point inside of YouTube. And we could go ahead and switch over to the My Challenge Tracker app. Okay, so the last pinned post is going to be here at the top, like I mentioned before. And then to view the rest of the feed, we have to go ahead and click this View the Group Feed. Now what that's going to do is that's going to give us access to this Post button here. So I'm going to go ahead and click Post. And then there is this picture of the typical video with that triangle, sideways triangle. That's the video. So we're going to go ahead and click it, and we can go ahead and add video. So I'm just going to hold down my finger inside this, and then it brings up paste, and there we go. So there, I'm going to click add video, and then you could type in the text, or you can go to your note application that you store the text in. If you're running from a script, you can just paste that in as well. So from here, your only options that I could tell are cancel, post, or share. If you start at the left and work your way around clockwise. So cancel cancels the post. Post is going to post it immediately. And share, I've not done it, but I saw that you can actually, it'll put it on Facebook and Instagram. So that's kind of cool. I've already scheduled this post, so I don't need to post it again, so I'm going to go ahead and click cancel. And of course, hey, you really want to quit? And I'm going to say yes. I wasted all my hard effort. Okay, so that's really all there is to it. If you've got any questions, if you're running into trouble, the very first thing I recommend is that you just check out that security on your YouTube video, because if it's set to private, you're not going to be able to find it. If you have any other questions, shoot me a message, and I'm happy to help you troubleshoot it, okay? All right, take care and have a great night.